Hi everyone! I am friendly. David is kind. Lucy is young. The students are smart. We are hot. The bag is cheap. What is the word order? Subject plus be verb plus adjective. What are the subjects? I, David, Lucy, the students, we, the bag. David is he. Lucy is she. The students are they. And the bag, it. So, David is kind or he is kind. Lucy is young or she is young. The students are smart or they are smart. The bag is cheap or it is cheap. Well done. What are the verbs? When we use an adjective, we use the be verb. Am, is, are, is. What are the adjectives? Adjective. Friendly, kind, young, smart, hot, cheap. Who is friendly? I. Who is kind? David. Who is young? Lucy. Who is smart? The students. Who is hot? We. What is cheap? The bag. So, the adjective describes the subject. He is hot. What is the subject? He. What is the verb? Is the be verb. What is the adjective? Hot. Who is hot? He. So, the adjective describes the subject. He eats pizza. What is the subject? He. What is the verb? Eats. What is the noun? Pizza. What tense is this? Present simple tense. He eats pizza. Let's change it a little bit. He eats hot pizza. He eats hot pizza. What is the adjective? Hot. Where is the adjective? Before the noun. Does the adjective describe he or pizza? Pizza. So, does the adjective describe the subject or the noun? The noun. When there is no noun, we use the be verb and the adjective describes the subject. But if there is a noun, we can use any verb and the adjective describes the noun. The adjective is always before the noun. It is good. They play a good game. She is short. I read a short book. The homework is difficult. He does difficult homework. What are the adjectives? Good. Good. Short. Short. Difficult. Difficult. It is good. What is good? It. They play a good game. What is good? Game. She is short. Who is short? She. I read a short book. What is short? Book. The homework is difficult. What is difficult? The homework. He does difficult homework. What is difficult? Homework. Well done. Now do the worksheet. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. See you next time. Bye.
Learn English.
Why are you eating chocolate?
With your favorite English teacher.
Hi everyone.
Grandma.
In. On.
Vocabulary.
Orange.
Activities. Real-life conversations.
The changing room is over there.
More than 100 lessons.
Hi everyone. Today we will practice English conversation.
Worksheets for every lesson. Weekly live classes. Take your English to the next level. With Rachel's online English program. Seven-day free trial. School.com/learn English with Rach.